Hello guys, Rasam and Appam in the house. Today we are going to prepare two types of momo sauces or chutneys. So the first one is a spicy red chili sauce, or as I call it, a shortcut Schezwan sauce. So the ingredients for this dish are the second sauce is a yogurt garlic chutney, and the ingredients for this dish are So guys, hope these two sauces were easy and amazing as well. I have tried my hand on it and I hope you do too. Looking forward to your feedback and comments, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe on Instagram, Facebook and especially YouTube. Bye bye guys.